Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can achieve this easy smoky eye with just a couple of steps and drugstore products. So nice and easy for beginners and people who don't have all that moolah to spend on expensive makeup. To start, I am going to take Soph's palette, just her original palette, and I'm going to use that through the whole video. Just going to take this one. I don't know the names of these because I lost the sheet that goes on in front of it. So I'm just going to take this one. I think it's called Cup of Tea. Well, that could be Cup of Tea. Either way, whoever drinks a cup of tea like this needs to darken their tea. Take out my fluffy brush. Okay, so I've done that to just put some shadow on so the other colours can blend into it. Now on a crease brush, I am going to take this brown and just put it on the outer bit here and blend it up and just focus on this area mainly. You just want to take some time with the same brush just to blend this out. I'm going to take a fluffy crease brush and blend this out again. Now if you've got hooded eyes like I have, as you can see they're quite covered, you just want to bring it just above your crease. So you can see my crease is here and then my brow bone starts there, and I just bring it up there just so when I open my eyes you can still see. I will be back with the other eye matching. Now for the next step, I am going to put a pink shimmer in this section. So I could take a flat brush and some setting spray. This is my unique setting spray, but you can get any old setting spray and it does the same job really. So I'm going to take this nice pinky shimmery colour. Please excuse the beat upness of my palette. I use this one a lot. Now you want to drag it into the brown. Like so. Now I go back in with the fluffy crease brush and just blend out this bit. Just blend out where it's hit the brown. Voila! I'll be back with the other eye. So now I am going to take a fluffy brush, the first one I put the transition colour in, just going to blend it all out. Make sure there's no harsh lines. You may find doing that it does remove some of the pink, some of the sparkles, so just go back in and just touch up where needed. Now I'm patting because if I drag it will move everything underneath it. So just pat it on. Now, what I do is take in the crease brush, put in the tiniest, and I mean tiniest amount of product on. You only want a tiniest bit of that brown, and run it under your crease, under your eye. Now this is where you can differ. As you can see, I kind of like to bring mine round, so it's like a nice oval, not an oval, but you know what I mean, it's a nice arch. Arch is a good word, Shannon. If you don't like it like that and you just want to put on, get a smaller brush, maybe a flatter brush, like one of these types of brushes, you know, where it's quite flat, and just run it under. I'm now going to take my Soap and Glory Super Cat eyeliner and just draw eyeliner. Now I like to start my eyeliner from here because it just creates that effect. Again, this is where you can differ. If you prefer thicker eyeliner, thinner eyeliner, or no eyeliner, it is completely down to you how you wear your eyeliner. I personally like mine like this. If you want to do it thick all the way across, no flip, whatever takes your fancy, do it the way you want to do it. Because all that matters is that you feel comfortable with the way that you have got your makeup. If you don't feel comfortable with a wing, don't do a wing. If you want to learn to do a wing, YouTube how to do wing eyeliner. Do what you feel comfortable with. Otherwise you won't feel comfortable and you won't like it. So I'm now taking the Glam Eyes 2 Day to Night Rimmel London's mascara majiggy. And everyone sees everyone put on mascara, so I'm just going to zoom through this really quickly. So I'm back, and this is my finished look. I hope you like it. I hope this was easy to follow. So if you don't do makeup often, just starting out, I hope this helps you. Please let me know if you want any more videos like this. Please subscribe and thumbs up my video, and I will all catch you soon. I will catch you all soon. Thank you. Bye. Love you.